We've all been there. You put on a sharp outfit, then you slide your wallet into your pocket, and boom. Or you're holding a coffee, trying to rush through the subway gate, and you're stuck fumbling through just to find your transit card. That's why we built this, a wallet that actually gets it. It's barely 1/3 of an inch thick, no bulky zippers, no useless snaps. The two outer card slots are honestly a game changer. They're designed for your go-to cards, like your commuter pass or office ID. You don't even have to open the wallet. Just tap and go. Inside, we've got 4 slots for your ID and credit cards. And they come with built-in RFID blocking tech, so you're fully covered. And the 2 magnetic side pockets are also perfect for those annoying little things, like a stray coin or a phone SIM card. Plus, there's still plenty of room to hold 6 to 10 bills flat without the bulk.
We know everyone carries differently. That's why every material in the NIID Slim wallet was chosen for way more than just looks. It's about how it actually behaves in your daily life, from the way it feels in your hand, to how it holds up, to how it ages over time. First, our Nebula fabric. It's super lightweight with a subtle texture that actually shifts in the light. Perfect if you want something modern and dynamic. It comes in gray, dark gray, navy, and a bold ember orange. If you're the type who beats up your gear, you want the Cordura version. It's matte, rugged, and engineered for maximum durability, available in a stealthy, tactical black. And for the purists, there's smooth leather, clean, understated, and it develops a beautiful, unique patina the more you use it. You can grab this one in black, olive, navy, or a rich brown.
Look, a great wallet stays flat and out of the way, making your life seamless when you need it.